Year after year, we witness higher cutoffs and a constant struggle among students to make it to the desired cutoff list. To know if higher percentage is a symbol of greater knowledge, we talk to the prospective students of the university and try to know if they care to extend their knowledge beyond the books and how much are they aware about the world around them.
My name is Tushar Kanti. I've come to Ramjas College. I'm taking admission in History Honours.
I'm Parv Arora. I came to Hindu College for BCom Pass.
I'm Shikha Khemani. I've come to Ramjas to apply for the History BA Honours.
My name is Charlie and I've come for BA program course in this college.
Hi, this is Pranka. I am here for the inquiry about the French course.
My name is Lokesh Manod and I am here for admission for BCom Honours, and I chose Ramjas College for this.
My name is Diya Varghese and I come to Stephens for admission.
How much did you score?
I scored 94.25.
86.75, best of 72.
I scored 85 in my boards.
66% in 12th standard.
I scored 78%, but even though I'm not able to secure a good college.
I got an average of 85.
I've scored 86.75.
86%.
I got 82%.
96.5.
Do you know who's the Vice President of India? Vice President of India? I don't know.
I knew it, but I forgot.
No.
Vice President? I'm sorry, I'm not aware.
Sorry.
Vice President, no.
No.
What is the 2G scam?
2G scam was the scam regarding the telecom.
No.
No. Do you know who was the chief of Commonwealth Games?
For Commonwealth Games, like he made something in accounts and.
No.
Do you know how many spokes are there in the chakra of our national flag?
Yeah, 106.
72 approx.
What is the color of the chakra?
It's dark purple.
Where is Lal Chowk?
Lal Chowk. Come on, this is the first time I've come to Delhi.
Do you know what is UPA?
No.
What is the national animal of our country?
Peacock.
Peacock.
Do you know who's the president of our country? What is 2G?
Wireless.
Do you know where is Tahrir Square?
Tahrir Square. No, actually, I don't have any idea to that.
Nope. What do you think about the 100% cutoff?
Obviously, it's not right. I mean, 100% cutoff, who gets it?
Percentage cannot give you knowledge.
It's good. I mean, the people who are just like deserving, they are getting it.
Yeah, the cutoff is very thin. The student don't, just misbehave with the other guy. And if the percentage is high, then the students which get, above 85% and between 90%, then they are not able to get admission in, the Delhi's top colleges like SRCC, Karodimal and Ramjas also.
Can you name 6 national dailies?
6 national dailies. This is easy. You've got Dainik Bhaskar, you've got Aaj, you've got, you can take Times of India, right? You can take Times of India, you can take Hindustan Times, you can take Delhi Times.
The Hindustan Times, Times of India, The Hindu, Dainik Bhaskar and Hindustan Times.
Do you know what is Lokpal Committee?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's a bill which is it's a committee which is planning a bill, anti-corruption bill.
Lokpal is a kind of a bill, is a bill actually, not a kind of a bill, is a bill. And I don't know what it has exactly.
Do you know how many states and union territories are there in our country?
28 states and 6 union territories.
What is JPC?
No idea.
JPC.
No idea. Do you know why was Baba Ramdev in news of late?
Yeah, it was actually about his property and the news that happened, somebody fall down from while giving a speech, he fall down.
If these are general knowledge questions, I make it a point not to be well informed. I don't read any paper or watch any news channel.